It's true that rooting your device has become far less essential these days than the days of old, but there are still plenty of reasons to root your Android device. Not only do you get some awesome functionality, but you'll also have access to a whole new genre of apps that can do more than the apps that you are used to. Here are the best root apps for Android. But before that, my intro. So, the first app is AdBlock Plus. AdBlock Plus is a free open source application that removes ads on your Android device. It's considered a must have for root users, even if those of us who make a living on advertising hate that. But it is not available on Google Play Store. Just one touch on the link provided in the description box below, it will take you to the downloading website. That is adblockplus.org. It's the official website. Okay, so moving on to the next one. This app is named Dumpster. It's free with in-app purchases, and as you can see, it's available on Google Play Store. Dumpster is a data recovery tool that can find files you have deleted and then restore them. It supports photos and videos like most, but also music files, documents, PDFs, and pretty much anything you may have accidentally deleted. Like most recovery tools, root isn't required for use, but having root access can improve the app's performance and help it find more lost files. Once installed, it acts like the recycle bin on your computer, and you can delete files permanently if needed. It's a good app to have around just in case. So, moving on to the next one. The third app is Flashify. Flashify is one of those root apps that all root users should have. What it does is allow you to queue up stuff to flash from recovery without having to reboot your phone. This includes zips, mods, kernels, boot images, recovery images, and much more. This is a great tool for root beginners or amateurs, and it's especially great for those who don't enjoy using AdBlock Plus and fastboot commands. It's simple, it has a good modern interface, and it just works. The fourth one is named Greenify. Greenify quickly climbed the list as one of those essential root apps a long time ago. The app checks out your running apps and shows you which ones are running, which ones have been run, how frequently they have run, and how many times each one wakes up your device. Using this information, you can hibernate apps to prevent them from running in the background and drain your battery. It's totally free, although you can donate to help fund development if you would like. I repeat, it's totally free, although you can donate to help fund development if you would like. The fifth one is named Link to SD. Link to SD is an app that allows you to move apps over to your SD card. It creates links to make your device believe it's actually on your device, so it works for apps that conventional apps to SD apps don't work on. This is a great way to take advantage of your external SD card space. It's not as great as Marshmallow's adaptable storage, but it's a good alternative until people actually get it. There are some bugs, so read the user reviews before trying it out, and do keep in mind that the moved apps will perform slowly. The next app is called Quick Reboot. Quick Boot is an app that is both absurdly simple and absurdly useful. In most versions of Android, the power menu is weak sauce and you can only power down and sometimes you can reboot. Quick Reboot fixes this by allowing you to boot to recovery and boot to bootloader. It can also go to device-specific things like download mode for Samsung devices or fast boot on certain devices. It's quick, simple, and makes finding an advanced power menu for your device a little bit less of a priority. It's definitely one of those root apps that everyone should have. The seventh app is called ROM Toolbox. ROM Toolbox Lite is a free version, and ROM Toolbox Pro you have to pay $400. So I suggest you download this app, ROM Toolbox Lite. So this is one of the very few all-in-one solutions for root users that still actually works. It has a bunch of features that includes a built-in file browser with root, app manager, ROM management, script writer, font installer, and a lot more. On some devices, you can even change the boot animations, themes, and status bar icons. It doesn't work for every phone, but it should work for most. Do beware though, because it's been half a year since the app was updated and we are not entirely sure if the project was abandoned or not. The last app for this video is called SDFix. SDFix is a system modifier tool that helps those running KitKat and Lollipop overcome the dreaded locked on SD card problem. I have personally tested this on a Note 3 running both KitKat and Lollipop, as well as an HTC One M9, Nvidia Shield tablet, LG V10, Note 4, and Google Nexus 5, all running Lollipop. This makes your SD card useful again and takes away the limitations placed on other apps like file browsers. It doesn't work for all devices, but it's definitely worth a shot if you are afflicted with this issue and your device doesn't have a ROM or mod that solves the issue. It's also absurdly easy to use. Open it, hit go, wait a few seconds, and then uninstall the app. Thankfully, this is one of those root apps that will eventually become obsolete since these issues are fixed. Guys, these apps are not all, there are some more apps left. I would be telling you the details of those apps in my next video, as this video is quite long. So basically this video is part 1 and the video which I would be uploading in a few days is part 2. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. If you really like the video, leave a watermark, and if you're finding any difficulties, please feel free to leave it as a comment below. And for the subscribers, please subscribe. It's Tech Bro signing off. Peace out.